class, this is Gigi from Kauai Community College. This is the red card in practicing derivatives, and it involves the quotient rule. Okay, so let's remind ourselves again, quotient rule. If you have a quotient and you're taking the derivative, the denominator is going to be the denominator square, g squared, on the numerator would be f prime times g minus g prime times f, meaning derivative of the first times the second minus the derivative of the second times the first. Okay, we just go ahead and apply here to the this quotient. So the quotient is this part right here. That's where the division is. The numerator is tangent of w. The denominator is 1 plus tangent of w. Okay, so we would say the derivative of y with respect to x is, and that's how we would write that, dy dx is equal to, on the denominator, you would have 1 plus tangent of w, and then that being square. Okay, that's what the denominator is. That's this one, this part right here. Okay, now the numerator would be the derivative of tangent. The derivative of tangent x is secant square. So you will have secant square of w multiplied by the denominator would be 1 plus tangent of w minus the derivative of the denominator, in which case it really is just tangent of w again, because the derivative of 1 is 0. The derivative of tangent w is secant square of w multiplied by the numerator, which would be tangent of w. Okay, so what we can do now is see if we can simplify. 1 plus tangent of w, all that, square, and that is the derivative of y with respect to x, dy dx. Distribute, we will get secant square of w multiplied by 1 is itself, okay, and then plus secant square of w times tangent of w minus secant square of w tangent of w. And guess what? A number minus itself is 0. So all we have on the numerator is secant square w over 1 plus tangent w squared. Okay, so dy dx is equal to secant square of w over 1 plus tangent of w, and then square. There we go. That is as far as we can go, unless we can figure out some identity that simplify that further, but I am happy with what that is.